Hello and welcome back to Angular 2 Masterclass with Alejandro Rangel. In this section, we will talk about ngIf and we will take advantage of this structural directive for improving the user interaction of our weather application. So, what happens if the user type a city that doesn't exist in the weather database? So we type blah 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 city, we go to the server, we try to retrieve weather data and there is nothing. Obviously, we should display a message to the user saying, look, buddy, type a city that exists, right? So this is a first step, and we will take advantage of the ngIf to do this. So if the city exists, we don't display any error. But if there is an error, we want to display this. And even better, we want to display the error in red color, so it's pretty clear to the user that there is an error. And we will do this using the styles inside the app component, right? So how does it look? It's like this. We take our template, then we add a paragraph, for example, and then we use ngIf. If the variable error message is not empty, then we will display this paragraph and we will put the error message. We also apply a class to this paragraph just to customize the color and that it looks like an error. So we come to the style. Inside the style, here we have .error message, color red, font style 8 pixels. Well, actually font size, there's an error here. Okay, so let's do this. It's pretty simple, but it's super important. So we come. I'm going to put this in the other. Okay, yeah, that's it. So where do we want to put this? After the input, we will type here our structural directive, ngIf, error message. We apply the class, error message, this is our class, and we will display error message. Yep, so the important part here is not to forget the asterisk. Remember, this is a conditional, and yeah, we are using interpolation. So okay, now we go to the styles, and here we do .error message, and we want to change the color to red and the font size 8 pixels, so we do it a little bit smaller. Okay, so let's simulate here an error, right? Because there is no way at this point to show this message. So, okay, the user type a city. The city is Vienna, London, but we could do here else. Remember, this is a pseudo fake weather data. In the next video, we will call a real API, so we will have the real error. But for now on, we could do something like we define here public error message. Let's type a string, it's undefined, and here we do this dot error message. This city doesn't exist. Yeah, well, I was thinking, yeah, it's not elegant actually, but for this example, it will help us to understand the usage of ngIf. We will make an improve of this later on. So, okay, we are here. Then we type London for testing, that's fine. Then we type a city that is not there. And here we have the error, this city doesn't exist. So we type now Vienna, nice, but it's still showing this. Why? Well, we never cleaned this variable, right? So we should do it somewhere. I can. So So this is error message. We put something like this. Let's try again. Yeah. So we have PNM. We have, well, let's make a mistake. The city doesn't exist. Then we type London, the city exists, and so on. Yep. Okay, so this is a way that we can use conditionals like the ngIf to improve the usability and the feedback that we give to the user. Okay, so in the next video we will talk about the weather API, the real weather, and with this we will have a fully functional application. So see you in the next video.